welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो is completely a random video. It's not at all pre-planned because usually I like to pre-plan my videos a little bit. At least I have pointers written so that I don't miss out on anything. But this video is completely random. Actually, this video came into my mind a very last moment. So today's video is all about organizing my wardrobe, which is right behind me. I was any which way going to organize it, so I thought why not just share it with you guys, because for all the lazy girls and boys like me out there needs a little bit of motivation. So this video might motivate you and you might end up organizing your wardrobe as well. Also, I have some of the organizers here with me that I'll be showing you in a while. Also, a disclaimer, my wardrobe is in a complete mess right now, so please do not judge me for that. And yes, without any further ado, let's jump quickly into the video. Okay guys, so this is how my wardrobes look like right now. I know this is such a mess. I'm so embarrassed right now. It's okay. We are going to fix it and make this messy wardrobe into a really pretty and organized one. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you how I like to organize my wardrobe. So the hanging section you see right there will have all my jackets and my denims. I really like to keep these pieces hanging because it's super easy to, just pick one and wear, because you can see all of them at one side and you exactly know what you want to wear. Also, I like to keep my clothes category wise, like tees, crop tops, sweatshirts, formal shirts, pullovers, my shorts, my jackets, my one pieces, my long dresses, everything like that. So I like to keep them category wise so that I exactly know what is my mood and from where I have to pick what. So it's quite easy and you don't end up messing full wardrobe just to find that one crop top. So now you exactly know where is your crop top and you can easily go and find that from that particular section. Other than that, I have 4 shelves. उसमें से last 2 shelves are going to be my party wear clothes and my vacation wear clothes. I don't know अब हम कब जा पाएंगे. Also, I have a drawer right here. उसमें सारे मेरे accessories रहेंगे, like neck pieces, earrings, my watches, my belts, and some of my important documents. Also, many people like to organize it color-wise, like all the blacks, blues, whites, and all of that. But I personally don't like it. Of course, it looks very pretty. Aesthetically, it is very, very pretty. But functional-wise, I don't think it is of any use because it's so confusing to actually find something. So I like to keep it category wise. It's very easy to just find the perfect cloth as per the occasion. So yes, now let's start actually organizing our wardrobe. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've arranged all my jackets, my denims, my bottoms here. So we'll quickly gonna clean this shelf and put all the clothes back on their places. Okay guys, we are done organizing our wardrobe. This looks so pretty and so satisfying. This is so much worth the effort. Also, as you can see, I have used these organizers, and because of that I have saved so much of place, and I would highly recommend to use these organizers. And yes, this is so satisfying. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please comment down if you're interested and if you want me to make a video on my traditional wardrobe as well, like how I organize my traditional pieces, and I will love to make them for you guys. Also, in general, if you like organization videos and if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I get to know that you really enjoyed watching this. And yes, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.